Most beginner and professional crypto traders lose money to the market, and that is because of one thing: emotion. They panic buy, panic sell, and overtrade. And sometimes stay at the chart for a very long time and end up making worse decisions. But what if your trades can happen automatically based on strategy instead of emotion? That is why automated crypto trading has exploded recently. And today we're breaking down how crypto trading bots actually works and how copy trading works, and why platforms like Wonder Trading are actually becoming very popular among beginner and busy traders. And there is also a limited CoinX partnership giving new users a free 1 month access to Wonder Trading. All right, let's break everything down simply. Welcome back to the Grand Academy. Now, one thing people don't realize about trading is that trading is less about intelligence. No, it's more about emotional control, because when money is involved, everything changes. Your emotion comes into play. It is this emotion that makes people to chase pumps. It is this emotion that makes people to panic during dips, and it is still this emotion that makes people to revenge trade after losses. This same emotion makes people to take impulsive decision when it comes to trading. So it's not just about your strategy, it's about psychology too. And that is where automated trading platforms started becoming popular. Instead of manually opening every trade yourself, you can actually set bot systems and trading systems to actually open trades for you based on your strategies and the rule you set. And one platform that focuses heavily on this is Wonder Trading. So what exactly is Wonder Trading? Wonder Trading is a crypto trading automation platform that allows users to use trading bots, copy experienced traders, automate strategies, and manage trades across supported exchanges. So instead of sitting in front of the chart all day, the system automates parts of the process. One interesting and important feature is copy trading. This basically allows users to follow and copy trades from more experienced traders, and it does it automatically and seamlessly. And obviously, no system guarantees profits, and trading will always carry its own risk. Right? Now, the reason why people are actually talking about and going with platforms like this is because it removes emotion when it has to do with trading. Another feature is trading bots. Now, bots can actually open trades, close trades, manage your risk, and follow preset strategies. And this is useful for people who are busy and don't want to monitor their charts all day. Now, here is where CoinX comes in. Wonder Trading supports integration with exchanges like CoinX. Many users can connect their CoinX account and use Wonder Trading automation tool alongside it. And currently, there is a campaign where new users who sign up on CoinX using the link in the description get access to Wonder Trading bots, Wonder Trading 2 for free for 1 month. So if you've been curious about making money online and trying out crypto bots, trading systems, automated trading system, this is your chance to actually try it out without paying any money. All right, so you get access to this for 1 month. I don't need to pay a dime to use this platform. So this is your chance to try automated crypto trading system. Now let's be realistic. Automated trading is not magic money. And this is one thing that beginner traders tend to misunderstand. Bots don't eliminate risk, and they don't guarantee profits. What it does help with is consistency, speed, removing emotional trading, and simplifying execution. This setup is probably most useful to busy people, beginners learning crypto, people exploring crypto trading, or traders who prefer systems over emotions, especially if you hold crypto and want to explore more advanced tools gradually. If you want to explore Wonder Trading and claim the free access through CoinX, check the link in the description section and maximize this opportunity before the campaign ends. And if you want more videos breaking down crypto tools, online income, AI systems, and more online earning opportunities, subscribe to the Grand Academy, and I'll see you in the next one.